Welcome to Q&A, Social Security Disability Today. This program is brought to you by the Reeves Law Firm, representing you and your Social Security and disability needs. If you have a problem or questions regarding Social Security and disability, call attorney Anthony Reeves. Here's your host, attorney Anthony Reeves.
Should I keep my benefits going if I am planning to appeal my disability benefits being cut off? That is a really, really tough question. And it's one that I tell people you got to give real serious thought to. Here's why. The way the regulations work is that if you decide to keep your benefits going during the appeals process and you eventually lose, usually at the judge level, any monies that you receive from the time they originally determined that you were disabled, no longer disabled, to the point of the judge's decision, you have to reimburse back to the government. The problem that people have is that by the time they get to their disability review, they are living on a fixed income reliant on that money. So the idea that that money is to be cut off is frightening. So especially when the disability review process typically as a whole takes probably about another year just to go through. Most people will roll the dice, but what I tell people is this: if you're going to roll the dice, do it quickly. And if you're going to do so, accept the fact that there is a definitive, let me stress again, accept the fact that there is a definitive possibility, okay? Definitive possibility that if you are not successful in proving that you are still disabled, you're going to have to owe money back to the government. I ain't trying to hear him working around you or anything like that. I need you to know that in advance. And I've told that to people all the time, because a lot of times people do it and they keep thinking, oh, I'm going to keep it going. Have they told you about the consequences? Understand that if you don't know that, know this. If you try to appeal and the government and keep your benefits going and the government ultimately finds that you are not disabled, you're going to owe the money back to the government. Just keep that in the back of your mind.